Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create Instagram account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Instagram is an extremely popular social media platform. It's an excellent way to share photos and short videos called Reels and privately message friends, family, and others. It's never too late if you don't have an account already. In this video, I will show you how to create Instagram account. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on create new account. You can enter name, username for your Instagram account. For example, we'll choose, I will like this. Now you can tap on next. You can share your logins info in your account center if you already have an account. But I will just create the password instead. You can create the password. Now you can tap on next. You can enter your phone number, or if you want to use your email address, you can just choose an email address. Now you can tap on next. Instagram will send you confirmation code on your email. You can wait until the email. Let's see. So here's the code. You can copy the code and enter in here. Tap on next. You can at Facebook. You can find people you know from Facebook with account center, but I will just skip this step. Skip. You can tap on next. You can choose in allow. You can choose your account privacy. If you want to make it public, you can choose on public. But if you want to make it private account, choose on private. We'll choose on public account. You can add your profile. I will just skip this step. You can share your profile. I will just skip this step too. And here you can follow 5 users on Instagram. And now you have an Instagram account. Here's your Instagram account. So that is how to create Instagram account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!